Hey, welcome back. And if it's your first time, welcome to the channel. I'm Steve, your host for the RedHeaded Adventures. We are at Lake Waco. I'm not fishing, and I'm not metal detecting. Well, kind of fishing. I got my magnets, my 500 and my 1100. It's a little windy. We're going to try some magnet fishing, and I have my cast net, which I need to practice throwing for bait, which you can catch bait and then cure it to preserve it in either a fridge or a freezer so you can use it later for catching bigger fish. But it's absolutely gorgeous. It's supposed to be mid-70s today, and well, let's get to it. This is a boat launch with a small dock, and I'm gonna throw the cast net, see how I do. I need to get that pancake going, which I've been practicing, so hopefully I can get that done, catch a few bait items. If not, just catch some fish and kick them loose, and then we'll throw the magnet and see if we can find something somebody's dropped overboard. All right, stick around. I hope you can hear me over the wind. So 6 foot net, coil the rope in your right hand, grab it about here, fold that into your hand here, split into 2 sections, grab here, put this in your right hand, grab the back line like this, and then it's a simple flick. And, taco, not too bad. Still learning. It's been a while, but my 500-pound magnet, I'm gonna drop it here along the edge. See if somebody's dropped something. I didn't catch anything with the cast net, and I need more practice. So let's find out. After several casts, I did come up with a nice weighted hook for Texas rig. Nice. Throw that in the bucket. Number 2 is a looks like an old cast net weight. Got a hole right through it. Got some metallic rocks, but I did get a tungsten weight. Nice, I can use that. Let's see if there's anything else on there. So we've got a big old circle hook for catfish. I hooked onto something out there, but the 500 was not able to move it, so I have to break out the 1100 and see if I can find out what that is. Hopefully it doesn't get stuck. Well, it still feels like there's something out there, but I got one hook and a broken hook. Throw this in there, and looks like some metal fragments. Time for the 1100. Bottom cap. Piece of hook. Looks like a piece of metal, maybe a pipe, and a couple of small hooks on here. That's about it so far. It is windy, but it's supposed to be mid-70s. I got 2 lag bolts. One's big one, small one. And there's still something out there. I know the magnet keeps trying to hook up to it. So it could be magnetite rock, could be something big, don't know. Give it another try, and then we'll probably move on to a new spot. One more item. Not sure what it is. came up. Some pieces of metal, magnetite, and broken hooks. We're off to our next spot. I know there's more stuff out there. It's just little stuff so far, but I do want to do some exploring. There's a couple of bridges I want to hit. I think I want to try the spillway if it's not too busy with people fishing, because there's a lot of gear probably lost down there, and maybe some stuff dropped over the edges from where they fish with the pole holders. So stick around. Alright, I made it down here to the spillway. There's absolutely nobody here, so I got free reign to cast net, to throw the magnet, to see if I can catch anything. And it's a gorgeous day out, even though it's windy. I did have to take a couple of weeks off. I wound up getting a little bit sick, ran a fever for a couple of days, but I feel better, getting my energy back, and got to get out and get some stuff done. Tired of sitting around the house. And you might notice I got my new glasses. Yay! I can see again. Bifocals. I'm getting old. Yay! And I got a new pair of sunglasses to go with it. So it wasn't cheap. Ouch. But anyway, we're here. Let's do it. That is windy. I hope this isn't blown out. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a magnet, I'm gonna drop it straight down and walk it along the wall and see if anybody accidentally drops something in the water straight down. It might still be there. We'll never know until we find out. Okay. Hope the wind isn't blown out, but this is my first throw. Some sort of metal bracket, a bottle cap, a piece of wire, a hook, a bunch of line, some weights. There's a bunch of stuff here. Oh, and a nut. Nice. We're gonna have some fun here. There's gonna be fishing gear everywhere. We got a nice hook here. There's another hook right there. Piece of wire, piece of swivel. And this is only using the 500. Wait till I take out the 11. So far, every cast. Cigarette lighter, bottle cap, hook, and a minnow net. Oh, I got minnow net. Check this out. Look at all that. I got a weight. And 1, 2. That's a piece of a lure. 1, 2, 3, 4 hooks. A couple of these I can reuse. They're nice. Circle hooks. Alright. So it looks like every cast is going to be some sort of hook or weight. There's a nice one. There's a weight. There's a nice hook. These are good still. I can still use these for fishing. Some sort of wired eye. Twist wire. Piece of lead, tungsten maybe, or a rock, and another hook. Bottle cap. And some more hooks. That one there got bent out. Nice little lead head. Big old catfish hook. Some line. And some smaller hooks. That's a broken, nope. That's a twin hook. It's broken, yeah. That's a nice hook and piece of a swivel. Bottle caps. I got 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. They're all the same. And another hook. And a piece of metal. Oh, I got a spring. Looks like the leftovers of a lead head, which is tungsten. Another small hook. This hook has got some glitter to it. It's pretty. Interesting. And a couple of broken hooks. Not totally exciting, but I got a battery, broken hook, and a flat piece of metal, and another broken hook so far, but I haven't come up empty yet. Piece of fence, another piece of fence, some hooks, got a razor blade, nice, spring, and a couple more hooks, just little J hooks. So I've got another bottle cap, pieces of hook. So I had fun with the 5, so time to break out the 1100. I'm going to do that one a few times, and then I'm going to try my cast net. Even though it's windy, it's going to be a little difficult in the wind, but we're going to give it a try. So my 1100, I got another one of those wire eyelets. Got a nice hook right there. Got a couple more hooks and tungsten weight. So there's still more stuff out there. I can't believe how many hooks I'm pulling up. Got a bunch of somethings. Maybe a weight. I see a hole in it. That's a weight, definitely. That's a big eye bolt. Looks like a homemade sinker of some sort. Or is that a... I think that's a piece of a pocket knife. One of the end caps. And that was it. Check this out. Look at all that stuff. My first pair of pliers. Some sort of vape thing. A couple of batteries. Lid, another weight, hook, a couple more caps, a couple more hooks. Ooh, a spinner blade. Yeah, check that out. And my first pair of pliers. Oh, and they still work. That's awesome. I got me a new pair of fishing pliers. Try it again. Holy cow. This is my biggest catch yet. Not sure what that is. But nice swim bait. A couple more bottle caps. Another lead, not lead, tungsten weight. Is that a spoon? A razor blade. Another fishing spoon. Oh, somebody's eye off their fishing pole. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. More hooks. Hey, there's a nice lead head. And all these hooks, check it out. That's a lot. Let's go get some more. I just moved down the ways, not too far. First cast, check this out. Got my first knife. Check that out. It's not in great condition, but heck, it's a knife. Some more weights. piece of a stringer for fish, some sort of metal rod, some more hooks, and a bottle cap. So I'm gonna try that spot again. Check out the size of this swim bait. It's huge. The hook's broke. And nice weight. And some broken hooks. Got a hook and big old weight, I guess. And there's some small hooks and some broken ones. Well, not really exciting. We got a bottle cap, some broken excuse me, some broken hooks. So I'm gonna put the magnet away for a little bit. I'm gonna play with my cast net, and then I'm gonna head that bridge right down there that I've crossed over, and try that for a few times and then call it a day. Well, I think I'm done for the day. I think I'm pushed it a little much after being sick. Still haven't got full energy back, but I think that bridge and some other spots I have an eye on will have to wait till next time. Ooh, 72. Actually got warm. But that wind is wow. So I threw the cast net several times in different spots. I got a couple of good throws that kind of pancaked out. A lot of it was just tacoed, and the wind was not helping at all. See you. I think we'll call it a day, so stick around. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. I know it wasn't super exciting, but I did find my first knife and my first pair of fishing pliers. And it was just a gorgeous, beautiful day to be outside having fun. So we'll go over some of the stuff. I threw a lot of it away, and I'm not sure where that knife went because we moved, and so stuff either got thrown or it got put away somewhere else. But bottle caps, fishing lures, weights, lots and lots of hooks, fishing gear that I can reuse, and that's that pair of pliers, my first pair of fishing pliers. I'll be able to clean those up some and be able to use those, but the knife went somewhere, not really sure. So not totally exciting, but it was a great day. Went out, it was beautiful, gorgeous, even though the wind was pretty well blowing all day long. I got outside and had fun. So even you can go out and have your own adventure. You just got to go out and find something. So thanks for watching. Thanks for coming around. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment on all that good stuff, and come back for another adventure with me right here. And don't forget, wherever you go and whatever you do, have fun, as long as it's legal. Thanks everybody.